Hi guys, I'm Charlie from Cavalier Homes in the Goulburn Valley. Organising your finance can feel like the most daunting part of building a new home. Most people aren't sure of the process or where to begin. Today our goal is to simplify that process for you with some helpful information on where to start, things like government grants and finding the best home loan for you. First, we work closely with a local broker that can help you organise your finance. Brokers will ask several questions, things like whether you work casual, part-time or full-time, your income, if you have any existing loans, any credit cards, whether you're married, single or have children. The bonus with using a broker is that they collect all your necessary information, then can look at all the banks to find the right lender and the best deal that suits you, where banks don't have that option to search other lenders. As for a loan deposit, it will vary depending on your situation, primarily due to income, whether you're a first or second home buyer, investor or if you're currently renting a home. That can be supplemented with the help of the government grants. These do change over the years. Currently there is a $10,000 first home buyers grant available in both Victoria and New South Wales, so inclusive of our whole build region for homes valued up to $750,000. The federal government is offering the first home guarantee, where they will act as a mortgage insurer, meaning the buyers don't have this expense, and most lenders will price their loan as if they had a 20% contribution. In just about all cases, the first home buyers will require a 5% genuine savings. If they are currently renting through an agent, genuine savings requirement can be waived, meaning that the $10,000 first home buyers grant could be included in their savings and reducing their minimum contribution. For example, a house and land package valued at $510,000, your deposit would be $25,500. However, if you are currently renting through a licensed real estate agent, your deposit would be as low as $15,500. Typically, the most the bank will lend to investors is 90%, including lender's mortgage insurance, but there are some exceptions. Additionally, investors would likely have their own home, which we could possibly draw equity from. If there is enough in their home, they would likely to be able to do it with zero contribution. While working with a broker will work with you in creating a house design that ticks all the boxes and works within your budget. Once we have locked in a house plan, we will then require a $2,000 groundwork fee to start the process on getting your plans drafted, organising a colour selection appointment and working towards a build contract. This process can take as little as 2 to 3 months to complete. Once the build has begun, progress payments are needed throughout the build, which will fully detail on how much is paid and at what stage, relevant to your new home. If you have any questions with financing or looking to get started with your new build, feel free to give us a call or visit one of our display homes open 7 days a week. Have a great day.